Hello everybody, this is Oliver the Cat, and welcome to Oliver's Learning Curve.
Hello my little kitties, this is Oliver the Cat, and today we will be making our word library number 2. In the last episode of the Learning Curve, we used 10 different words and we put them into sentences. Today, we will create our word list too. We want to grow our vocabulary. In order to grow our vocabulary, we need to learn more words and put them into more sentences. Alright, my little kitties, let's begin. Our first word is like. Let's use like in a sentence. I like to play on the swing. Our next word is a. Let's use a in a sentence. A boy can run fast. Our next word is see. Let's use see in a sentence. We can see you. Our next word is go. Let's use go in a sentence. I'll go to the store. Our next word is in. Let's use in a sentence. Yes, we can go in. Our next word is of. Let's use of in a sentence. The color of the sky is blue. Our next word is us. Let's use us in a sentence. I can see us. Our next word is by. Let's use by in a sentence. Yes, we can go by. Our next word is eat. Let's use eat in a sentence. Mom, can we eat now? Our last word is was. Let's use was in a sentence. I was in the house. Alright, my little kitties, we are going to repeat all of the words we have learned so far. I, can, we, the, at, am, it, up, no, yes, like, a, see, go, in, of, us, by, eat, was. Alright, my little kitties, let's repeat those words again. I, can, we, the, at, am, it, up, no, yes, like, a, see, go, in, of, us, by, eat, was. Okay, my little kitties, we've learned a lot today. I want you to go to the mirror and say to yourself, I am smart.
I hope you enjoyed the learning curve. I am Oliver the Cat saying Meow, my little kitties.